Every day, we pass by animals without giving much thought to the fascinating lives they lead. From the tiniest insect to the most common birds, these creatures play out elaborate and often surprising roles in our ecosystems. But what if we could take a closer look at their secret behaviors, their unnoticed adventures, and the skills they use to survive? These animals, often right under our noses, have unique ways of communicating, finding food, and even outsmarting predators. Consider the clever squirrel darting up a tree or the humble pigeon making its way through bustling city streets. Each of them has developed extraordinary strategies to adapt to their environments. They navigate challenges we might never even think about, using senses and abilities that seem almost magical. Some animals are masters of camouflage. Others communicate in complex languages, and many have developed an incredible sense of memory or direction. In this video, we'll take a dive into the secret lives of everyday animals and discover the hidden wonders of the animal kingdom. Get ready to uncover behaviors that are both bizarre and brilliant, from the acrobatics of ants to the savvy survival tricks of city pigeons. These creatures may seem familiar, but you'll be surprised by what you didn't know about their everyday lives. Join us on this journey to witness the hidden talents and incredible instincts of the animals we often overlook but share our world with daily. Through the lens of nature's finest, you'll see how every animal has its own story, each one unique and full of surprises. Squirrels are known for their speed and agility, often seen darting from tree to tree, but their skill set goes far beyond their acrobatic abilities. One of the most impressive feats of squirrels is their incredible memory. When squirrels hide food, they rely on a type of mental mapping to remember the location of their stash. This behavior, known as caching, is not only a survival tactic, but a testament to their intelligence. Squirrels may bury their food in hundreds of different locations, ensuring that they have a food source throughout the winter months. Squirrels also employ a variety of methods to outsmart predators. They use rapid movements, often zigzagging through trees, to confuse predators. Their keen sense of smell allows them to detect danger, and their large bushy tails act as a decoy when they need to make a quick escape. When they feel threatened, a squirrel will often flick its tail rapidly, creating a diversion, while the rest of its body escapes to safety. These small mammals also communicate with each other using vocalizations and tail movements. A rapid flick of the tail or a high-pitched call can signal an alarm to nearby squirrels, warning them of predators or other threats in the area. This form of communication is vital in helping them protect themselves and their territory. Despite their small size, squirrels are incredibly resourceful and adaptable. They're skilled at navigating urban environments, often seen foraging through parks, gardens, and even city streets. These creatures may be common, but the intelligence and survival strategies they use every day are far from ordinary. Pigeons are some of the most adaptable birds in the world. Often seen in cities, they have perfectly adapted to urban life, even thriving in environments that many other animals would find hostile. These birds are known for their impressive homing abilities, able to return to the same spot no matter how far away they travel. Pigeons have been used for centuries as message carriers because of their ability to navigate using the Earth's magnetic fields, sun positioning, and visual landmarks. Their foraging habits are quite clever as well. Pigeons have an incredible sense of vision, capable of detecting ultraviolet light, which helps them spot food from great distances. Whether it's a small crumb on the sidewalk or a morsel of food left behind in a trash can, pigeons are highly skilled at locating sources of sustenance. This ability allows them to survive in bustling urban areas where food sources can be scarce or competitive. Pigeons also have a fascinating social structure. They communicate with one another through a variety of sounds, including coos, whistles, and clucks. These vocalizations help them establish dominance, communicate with mates, and warn danger. When one pigeon spots a predator, it will often call out, alerting the entire flock. Pigeons rely heavily on their social interactions to maintain safety, protect their territories, and ensure they thrive. With their remarkable homing ability, sharp vision, and social communication, pigeons have mastered life in the city. They are often overlooked as just city birds, but their intelligence and survival tactics are truly impressive. The next time you see one perched on a building or walking through a park, take a moment to consider the hidden skills that allow it to thrive in such a challenging environment. Ants might be small, but they are one of the most successful and widespread groups of animals on Earth. Their ability to work together as a colony has allowed them to dominate nearly every terrestrial environment. A single ant might seem insignificant, but when part of a colony, ants can move mountains, literally. They build vast underground networks of tunnels that serve as their homes, where each ant has a specific role, from workers to soldiers to the queen. One of the most remarkable behaviors of ants is their ability to work in perfect harmony with one another. They communicate primarily through chemicals known as pheromones, which help them coordinate tasks such as finding food, defending their nests, or following trails to new locations. This communication system allows them to act with incredible precision, despite each ant having no individual intelligence. The collective intelligence of the colony is far greater than the sum of its parts. Ants are also exceptional at foraging for food, using the same pheromone trail technique. When a scout ant finds a food source, it leaves a trail of pheromones that other ants follow. This leads to a rapid and organized response, where hundreds of ants work together to gather the food and carry it back to their nest. The efficiency of their foraging techniques is unmatched, with some species able to carry objects up to 50 times their own body weight. Despite their small size, ants are among the hardest working creatures in the animal kingdom. Their ability to cooperate, forage, and communicate in such intricate ways makes them one of the most fascinating animals on the planet. And with over 12,000 species of ants, there's a huge variety of behaviors and survival tactics to uncover. Raccoons are highly intelligent animals, known for their dexterity and problem-solving abilities. Often referred to as trash pandas because of their habit of rummaging through garbage cans, raccoons have a remarkable ability to adapt to urban environments. Their hands, which are highly sensitive, allow them to open doors, lids, and containers, skills that not only help them forage for food, but also demonstrate their remarkable cognitive abilities. Raccoons are nocturnal creatures, primarily active at night when they can search for food undisturbed. This nocturnal behavior is an evolutionary trait that helps them avoid predators, such as hawks or coyotes, that are more active during the day. Their eyes are adapted to low light conditions, allowing them to navigate through the dark with ease. Raccoons use their heightened sense of smell and sight to locate food, often foraging in garbage, food waste, or pet food left outside. One of the most fascinating aspects of raccoons is their social structure. While they're generally solitary animals, raccoons will often come together in groups when food is abundant. They use a variety of vocalizations, such as purrs, growls, and chirps, to communicate with each other. These vocalizations help them to establish territory, call for mates, or signal distress when threatened. Raccoons are also known to engage in handshaking, where they use their dexterous front paws to touch or even grasp one another, further enhancing their social bonds. Raccoons are incredibly resourceful and adaptable, thriving in both wild and urban environments. Their ability to learn and adjust to new situations, combined with their impressive physical capabilities, has made them one of the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. The next time you spot one rummaging through a trash can, remember that it's not just looking for food. It's using its wit and dexterity to survive. The octopus is one of the most fascinating creatures of the ocean, renowned for its intelligence, problem-solving abilities, and remarkable adaptability. With their soft, flexible bodies and 8 long, powerful arms, Octopuses are masters of disguise and can blend into their surroundings with astonishing precision. Their skin is capable of changing color and texture, allowing them to camouflage themselves against coral reefs, rocks, or the ocean floor, making them nearly invisible to both predators and prey. In addition to their impressive camouflage, octopuses are also known for their ability to solve complex puzzles. Studies have shown that they can navigate mazes, open jars to obtain food, and even remember solutions to problems over time. This cognitive ability is supported by their large brains and sophisticated nervous system, which includes neurons not only in their brain, but also in their arms, enabling them to perform tasks independently with remarkable dexterity. Octopuses are solitary creatures and have a short lifespan, typically living only 1 to 2 years. However, during their brief lives, they are highly efficient predators, using their excellent vision and incredible agility to capture prey. With their powerful suckers, octopuses can grasp and manipulate objects, allowing them to catch fish, crabs, and other marine animals. They are also known to use tools, such as coconut shells or empty seashells, to protect themselves from predators or create shelters. Despite their intelligence and skill in the water, octopuses face numerous threats in the wild, including sharks, larger fish, and even humans. Nevertheless, their ability to adapt, solve problems, and survive in a variety of environments ensures that they remain one of the ocean's most incredible creatures. The mantis shrimp is one of the most extraordinary creatures in the ocean, known for its vibrant colors and powerful strike. Native to tropical and subtropical regions, these small but fierce crustaceans are famous for their lightning-fast punches, which they use to hunt prey and defend themselves. With specialized appendages that act like spring-loaded hammers, mantis shrimp can deliver blows that travel at speeds comparable to a bullet from a gun. These strikes are so powerful that they can break glass aquarium walls and shatter the shells of their prey. What makes the mantis shrimp even more remarkable is its vision. The mantis shrimp has the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom, capable of detecting an array of colors that humans cannot even perceive. Their eyes contain 16 types of photoreceptor cells, allowing them to see ultraviolet light, polarized light, and a wide range of colors. This extraordinary vision helps them to spot potential mates, locate prey, and navigate their colorful, complex environments. Despite their small size, mantis shrimp are incredibly skilled hunters. They use their powerful punches not only to break open shells, but also to stun or kill fish and other marine creatures. These strikes can generate heat and even light, a phenomenon known as cavitation. This impressive hunting technique allows the mantis shrimp to be one of the most efficient predators in the ocean, capable of taking on prey much larger than itself. Mantis shrimp also have a fascinating social structure. While many species are solitary, some exhibit complex social behaviors, including cooperation and territoriality. Their vibrant colors, powerful abilities, and unique behavior make them a true marvel of the marine world. Dolphins are among the most intelligent and social creatures in the ocean, known for their playful behavior and complex communication skills. These highly social animals live in groups called pods, where they form strong bonds with one another. Dolphins engage in a wide range of activities, from synchronized swimming to playing with objects like seaweed or fish, showing a level of playfulness that is rarely seen in other animals. This playful nature not only helps them build social bonds, but also enhances their problem-solving skills, which are essential for hunting and navigating their oceanic environment. One of the most remarkable aspects of dolphin behavior is their ability to communicate. Dolphins use a variety of vocalizations, including clicks, whistles, and body movements, to communicate with each other. Each dolphin has a unique signature whistle that functions much like a name, allowing individuals to call and respond to one another. These vocalizations are important for coordinating group activities, such as hunting and navigation, and even for maintaining social relationships within the pod. Dolphins are also known for their sophisticated hunting techniques. Many species work together to herd schools of fish into tight groups, making it easier for the entire pod to catch their prey. Some dolphins have even been observed using tools, such as sponges, to protect their snouts while foraging on the ocean floor. This ability to adapt to different environments and learn new behaviors is a testament to their intelligence and versatility. Despite their playful nature and intelligence, dolphins face significant threats from human activities. Pollution, fishing nets, and habitat loss are some of the challenges that threaten their populations. However, their ability to adapt and cooperate as a pod ensures their survival, and their playful demeanor continues to capture the hearts of those who are fortunate enough to observe them in the wild. Whales are some of the largest and most awe-inspiring creatures on Earth. These marine mammals are known for their immense size, with some species reaching lengths of up to 100 feet. Despite their size, whales are highly migratory animals, traveling thousands of miles each year to find food and mate. Their journeys span across vast oceans, from the warm waters of the tropics to the cold, nutrient-rich waters of the poles. This migration is one of the most extraordinary feats in the animal kingdom, showcasing their endurance and navigational abilities. Whales also have an incredible ability to communicate over vast distances. Many species, including humpback whales, are known for their complex songs, which can travel across entire ocean basins. These songs are thought to play a role in mating rituals, with males using them to attract females. However, the songs may also have other purposes, such as navigation or social bonding. Whales' vocalizations are produced using specialized vocal cords and resonate through the water, allowing them to communicate effectively across great distances. Another remarkable feature of whales is their feeding behavior. Baleen whales, such as blue whales and humpback whales, feed by filtering massive amounts of water through their baleen plates to capture small organisms like krill and plankton. This method of feeding allows them to consume vast quantities of food in one sitting, which is essential for sustaining their enormous size. On the other hand, toothed whales, such as orcas and sperm whales, hunt and eat larger prey, including fish, squid, and even other marine mammals. Their hunting strategies are varied and complex, involving cooperation within pods and highly coordinated attacks. Despite their grandeur, whales face numerous threats, from ship strikes to entanglement in fishing nets and the effects of climate change. However, conservation efforts around the world are helping to protect these magnificent creatures and ensure their survival for future generations. Their intelligence, communication, and social structures continue to fascinate researchers and inspire awe in those lucky enough to witness them in the wild. As we conclude our journey through the fascinating world of marine life, we've only scratched the surface of the incredible creatures that inhabit our oceans. From the powerful punches of the mantis shrimp to the graceful migration of the majestic whale, the ocean is a realm filled with mysteries and marvels that continue to surprise and inspire. These creatures, each with their unique adaptations and behaviors, remind us of the complexity and beauty of nature. It's important to remember that the ocean's wonders are not just for us to marvel at, but also a vital part of the Earth's ecosystem. Every creature, no matter how big or small, plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of marine life. However, these creatures are facing unprecedented challenges due to human activities, such as pollution, climate change, and overfishing. It's up to all of us to ensure that future generations can experience the same awe and wonder that we do today. As we continue to explore, protect, and learn more about the ocean, let's carry with us a deeper respect for the life that thrives beneath the waves. The more we understand, the better we can contribute to preserving these incredible creatures and their habitats. Thank you for joining us on this journey. And remember, the ocean is full of endless surprises, each one waiting to be discovered.